Hey guys, what's up? Jessica Cabesi here. In today's video, we are going to be shooting inside of a car. We love Michigan, but you got nothing for us. There's nothing here. You give us snow 8 months out of the year, we don't like it. So I figure instead of driving the car to those locations, why not just shoot inside the car in the convenience of your own home? I mean, not that the car would be here, it would obviously be parked outside legally. You ready, Angelica? Ready? Okay, let's go. And do you have a license? So I think I'm gonna be using my 35 to begin. Crusty backpack, everything's falling apart over here. So we're using the 35 today with the 5D Mark III. You know, I'm also helping the police department because if anyone's speeding, this is gonna catch them.
Solving crime.
I'm solving crime, doing a photo shoot at the same time, and I'm gonna be a snitch today. What's that speed? What's that speed? Going a little fast, are we? Racing today, are we? Whoa! I know you weren't going with speed limit. I really want to do something with the windows, so shooting through the window, maybe through the windshield, something like that. So that's gonna be the first shot. So I'm really liking how this looks so far. I'm gonna have Angelica just sit in here and I'm gonna take a couple of shots. Let's begin, shall we? It's really hard to focus right now because it's focusing more on the glares than it is on Angelica, so a bit of a learning curve right now. Well, at least the leaves are gonna look good. I'm also gonna be bringing in some of these crystals right here. Just add a little bit of an effect. Like even have your hand kind of like up here. Yeah, just like that. And we're gonna switch on over to the passenger seat. So we're not driving anymore because we don't have a license. I mean, technically we do, but we don't for this video. Perfect. Oh my god, those are gorgeous. So the pose of getting out of the car is going well. I'm having Angelica get out of the car, then do it backwards. So having her actually do the movement is really helpful right now. So that's what we're doing. And go back in. Move those hands like you're reaching towards my camera lens, like you're grabbing something from me. Like you're grabbing this for some hands. There you go. Bend your hands a little, like looking out this way. Down a little towards me. So I'm gonna do a shot of Angelica through one of the mirrors on the car. So that's gonna be the next shot. How about you're reaching, you have your hand towards here. I'm trying to like move the mirror. There you go. Or like keep moving your hand. How about like right here, you like fixing it from up here? Gorgeous. Okay, I think we got that shot. That was great. Okay. We have Angelica changing into the second outfit and I am trying to think about different poses that I can do inside a car. I mean, it seems limiting, but I know there are a couple more that I can kind of squeeze out of it. So I'm just trying to think of this in terms of food. You know, lemons. There's more lemonade to be made. Let's get into the second outfit. So how do you want me to do it? Yeah, even like leaning, yeah. Even like leaning in. Yeah, just like that. Bring your arms in closer. Keep those arms closer to me. To me. Why is that person so weird? That person circled around. We got you guys here watching us, so I'm not worried. And we're gonna do something in the back of the car. I'm not really sure what, but we're doing it. We're in too deep. You have to come like all the, yep, right there. Yeah, that's cool. Bring your head up a little. There you go, good job. I'm clearly too short for any of this, but it's a learning curve. I think I'm just sticking my camera out and taking a picture and just hoping it focuses. That's the technique that has gotten me here today, so it's been quite effective. No, I'm just joking. So I think what I'm gonna do is start taking it at a different angle. Usually when I'm not getting success with a certain shot, what I'll do is just simply switch up my angle, and it kind of just changes the entire shot. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like reaching out towards me. Yeah, that's great. But lower your head. Yep, there you go. Here we go, we're gonna try this again. Pico's mad at us because he's like, wrap this up, Jessica. You've done the ending 5 times and you keep messing up. Even he's annoyed. That kid's crying because he's like, Jessica keeps recording the ending to this video. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get better. Also, if you're hearing Pico, Angelica's dog, we're gonna maybe have him appear towards the end of this. I think he's yelling at us to wrap this up. We would love to thank our amazing model Angelica for modeling for us today, and Jordan for letting us use his car, and I have a special thank you if I can get this guy to cooperate. Hi. Hi. Oh, okay. Okay, this is approval. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys like the pictures. Bye. Bye. He's so cute. Can you drive us to like McDonald's afterwards?
Oh, I will not eat McDonald's. Don't eat McDonald's. Do you eat McDonald's?
No.
No. Yeah.
Because the ice cream machine is always broken.